Hi, I'm Chelsi Stratton, and today I'm here in my mom's quilting studio, Sherry from A Quilting Life, and I'm just going to talk a little bit about my 30 Days of Love sew along featuring my blissful pattern. So let's get started. Okay, so I really wanted to do a sew along with my blissful quilt pattern, and I thought what perfect fabric to use in the quilt than our Sincerely Yours fabric collection. This is still in stores, so you can check with your local quilt shop to see if it is available. And if you're a shop owner and you see this, Moda has some fabrics available as well. So I just want to show you really quick. Today we are 10 days into the 30 Days of Love sew along, but it's not too late to start. I have a free PDF that you can find on my blog, and we will have that linked in the description of this video. And it gives you the materials that you will need to make the quilt top, and has information that how you can find my blog and my Instagram. And we initially started this on January 30th, and it goes through February 28th. And the whole idea of this is to make one heart block a day for 30 days because there's 30 blocks in the blissful quilt. I also have a section, we'll get an up close look at it in just a minute, where I have accountability hearts that you can color in each time that you complete a block. And I wanted to create this just so you had you might need 20 or 30 minutes a day to sew one block. And it's kind of a nice routine that I have got going on, and I'm just really enjoying it. So let's take a closer look at some of the blocks that I have completed, as well as a closer look at the PDF that you'll be able to download from my blog. Okay, so the first thing I want to say is you will need to purchase the blissful pattern, and we will have that linked in this video in the description of this video. So I just want to say that, but this PDF, here's a few of my blocks. I'll actually move this for just a second. So we're on day 10 and I have completed 10 blocks, and I love the accountability of this sew along. Also, something great about the Sincerely Yours fabrics are I used this low volume print for the blocks, and it's busy enough that it plays as a solid, but it's not too busy, and it goes just so well with this Bella 200 I used. And then I'm able to show off the different prints in this quilt from our Sincerely Yours collection. And you can use every single print from the collection, and you'll need a fat eighth bundle. So I'm going to show you this PDF, and you can find this on my blog. This PDF is a free download to go with your sew along, and it gives you the materials required to make the quilt top, and I have it mocked up for you in Sincerely Yours so you can see it. And Billy will pop up a picture of the quilt I've already completed. I made that one using Favorite Things. So, and then I wanted to also show you, I made these accountability hearts because I'm kind of a list person and I like to hold myself accountable. So I thought it would be fun each time that you finish sewing a block that you can color in a heart. So as you can see, I'm 1/3 of the way through. There's 30 blocks. And I just keep this pinned up in my sewing room, and every time that I finish a block each day, I color in a new heart. So this has all the information you'll need for this sew along if you want to join in. And it's not too late. It's super laid back, one block a day, and you can keep sewing one block a day even though we're finishing this on February 28th. So I will be sharing on my social media when all of my blocks are done. You can follow along there or on my blog, and there will also be a link under this video in the description, linking to my newsletter, which will have updates for you as well. And I hope that if you have some time, that you join in. It's no stress and just sewing about 20 or 30 minutes a day, and just something great to keep accountability on your sewing journey. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this video where I talked about my 30 Days of Love sew along featuring my Blissful quilt pattern. You can find the pattern for Blissful linked below in the description of this video, as well as a link to my blog where you can find information on the sew along and the PDF download that you'll need to use to follow along. And if you liked this video, hit the like button and also subscribe if you want to see more videos from A Quilting Life. And thanks so much for stopping by.